Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Exhaust Tester is probably one of the most important diagnostic tools for any serious mechanic or DIY car enthusiast, allowing you to quickly and accurately measure exhaust back pressure, pinpoint problems in your exhaust system, such as leaks, blockages, or restrictions, ultimately saving you time, money, and frustration by preventing more serious engine damage down the road, making it an invaluable asset in maintaining optimal vehicle performance and prolonging the life of your vehicle. Number 5. CMTOOL Exhaust Tester. This kit comes in a custom-molded carrying case, keeping everything organized and protected for easy transport and storage. It's ready to go whenever you are. The 6-foot hose is made from special, thickened silicone. This makes it wear-resistant and able to withstand high temperatures, up to 300 degrees Celsius. You can easily test from the driver's seat. It's simple to use. The adapters fit M12 and M18 threads. Just test at idle and 2,500 RPM, pressure should be below 1.25 psi at idle and 3 psi at 2,500 RPM. The large 2.5-inch gauge shows pressure in psi and bar, with color-coded markings for easy reading. A protective rubber cover adds durability and comfort. The gauge is pre-calibrated for accuracy. If the pointer isn't at 0, it might be from shipping. Simply adjust it yourself under the cover. We stand behind our product with 24-hour customer service and a 3-year warranty. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. It's well organized with a protective case, keeping everything neat and safe. The high-temperature hose offers flexibility and durability for various testing scenarios. If you value convenience and protection for your tools, this is the one for you. What people say. Works like described. No more guessing if cats are clogged. Accurately read slight variations in catalytic system that would not show up in other tests. Well made and accurate. Every technician should definitely have this in their toolbox for diagnosing a plugged converter or exhaust depending which bung you put the adapter in. Number 4. TOOL-AID 33600 Tester. This is the TOOL-AID 33600 Exhaust Back Pressure Tester, a handy tool for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. It's designed for ease of use and accurate readings. It's an exhaust back pressure tester, used to measure the pressure in your vehicle's exhaust system. This helps diagnose potential problems. By accurately measuring back pressure, it helps pinpoint issues like clogged catalytic converters or exhaust restrictions, saving you time and money on repairs. It's designed for straightforward use, even for those without extensive mechanical experience. The clear readings make it simple to interpret the results. It comes packaged efficiently. You'll receive one unit, ready to use right out of the box. Its compact size makes it easy to store and transport. It measures approximately 4.318 cm L x 14.478 cm W x 41.91 cm H and weighs only 0.544 kg. What we like. Its small size and light weight make it perfect for portability and storage. You can easily take it anywhere without any hassle. If you need a simple and easy to store solution, this is a great option. What people say. Worked great, threaded right into the O2 sensor bung and helped me diagnose a clogged catalytic converter without having to take it completely apart. The gauge and dial are decent quality, not the best in the world, but definitely decent enough to get the job done, and seem to read fairly accurately. This worked perfectly. You want a dedicated exhaust back pressure gauge, because most other pressure gauges are not sensitive enough, and the long hose made it possible to sit in the vehicle and rev the engine while still being able to see the gauge. Takes all the guesswork out of chasing possible exhaust restrictions. Number 3. STATU24APB Exhaust Kit. This innovative kit makes exhaust testing faster and more precise. It helps quickly identify blockages in catalytic converters and mufflers. It features a unique gauge with 2 color-coded bands. These bands help you measure pressure at idle and 2,500 RPM, providing PSI and bar readings. The clear markings on the gauge make it simple to read pressure readings accurately. This ensures efficient and reliable testing. It's built to last with a protective rubber boot for the gauge. This protects it from damage during use. The 6-foot hose gives technicians plenty of reach. This allows testing from the driver's seat for added convenience. This kit is designed for accuracy and efficiency. It helps you quickly diagnose exhaust system problems. What we like. This tester allows for fast and accurate readings with its user-friendly design. The dual-scale gauge provides flexibility in measurement units. If you prioritize speed and accuracy in your testing, this is a perfect choice. What people say. I bought this to test for a clogged converter, and found it easy to use. You need to drill holes just before and just after the converter. Only used once but seemed to work fine, showing only a few pounds of BP and upon increasing RPM a few more. The kit contains rubber plugs that would fit in a few different size hole, an O2 sensor plate for the type with 2 nuts or bolts, and also threads into an O2 sensor bung. It also has some nutserts and screws with brass washers. Number 2. OTC 7215 gauge. This gauge makes checking your exhaust back pressure simple and easy. Just insert it into the oxygen sensor hole and get an accurate reading. It features a large, easy-to-read display showing pressure from 0 to 8 psi. You'll get a clear and precise measurement every time. The specially designed tip ensures accurate readings, while the stainless steel braided tube can handle high-heat engine conditions. It's built to last. It's compatible with GM, Ford, Chrysler, and import vehicles. Plus, a universal adapter is included for vehicles with thermactor systems. Installation is a breeze. Simply insert it into the oxygen sensor port and you're ready to get an accurate reading. Get reliable and accurate exhaust back pressure readings with this gauge. It's a must-have tool for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. What we like. It's designed for simple insertion and provides highly accurate pressure readings. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use tool for accurate readings, this is the one for you. What people say. After using it twice, it paid for itself. Takes the guess out of bad catalytic converters. I use this tool every time a car comes in with a suspected catalytic converter failure, and when used with my Snap-on scan tool, I've saved many customers thousands of dollars by correctly diagnosing their vehicles the first time, and only half of the vehicles with CAT codes P0420 P0430 actually needed a new CAT. Worked well and had the correct adapter for my application. The braided hose stays cool enough to handle and protects from damage. Number 1. VKALTUL Tester Kit. This tool is a must-have for any mechanic. It accurately measures exhaust back pressure, a key indicator of engine health. It features a large, easy-to-read gauge with clear markings in PSI and bar. Color-coded indicators instantly show whether the pressure is within the acceptable range. The 6-foot hose provides ample reach, allowing for testing from the driver's seat. A hose clamp ensures a secure and leak-proof connection. It comes with adapters for both M12 and M18 ports, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. It's designed for testing at idle and 2,500 RPM. It provides quick and accurate readings, helping you diagnose exhaust system problems efficiently. This saves you valuable time and effort. It's been professionally tested and comes with our assurance of quality. We're here to help if you have any questions or need assistance. What we like. It features a precise gauge for reliable readings and a long hose for comfortable testing. The complete kit includes all necessary adapters. If you need a comprehensive and accurate testing solution, this is the best option. What people say. Gauge showed 0 psi back pressure, saving me serious cash. It ended up being me TBI and not the CAT. It accurately measures exhaust pressure. Has plenty of fittings. Can be used to fuel or to check back pressure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.